On this channel, I discuss only the practical tips to help you navigate through your career very successfully. Hi everyone, I'm Smarty Mukherjee and you're watching Consulting Bug. If you're new to my channel and you are watching this video for the first time, believe you me, you have come to the right place if you're looking for some career advice. These days, due to COVID-19 situation, we mostly have video interviews or we have telephonic interviews. So in this time, how should we prepare for these video interviews and for telephonic interviews? So the first tip that I want to talk about today is building a rapport with the interviewer. Now when you meet somebody in person, it is little easier to build the rapport with that person, but if it is through video conferencing or through telephonic interview, it becomes a lot difficult. To understand more about rapport building, let's first understand what is rapport building. We build a rapport with a person when we meet them for the first time by greeting that person and understanding whether they are like us or they are not like us. Rapport building is all about matching and mirroring the pace of the interviewer and finding that overlap between you and the interviewer very quickly and building that relationship very quickly throughout the interview. A very simple technique is, matching with the pace of the interviewer. First of all, listen to the interviewer, pay attention how the interviewer pauses in between the sentences and try to maintain the same pauses when you talk to the interviewer. Now, it doesn't have to be awkwardly long pause between the sentences. Try to match the pace and tone of the interviewer. If you know all these things, it becomes a lot easier to build that rapport with the person. But if you are talking to somebody over the phone, it is extremely challenging to build the rapport with the person. In order to build the rapport, make sure that you are welcoming, you are smiling over the call. Generally, when interviewers are interviewing some candidates, they want a resource who can gel well with other people. So in COVID-19 situations, mostly resources will have to work from home or through teleconferencing. So if you do not sound impressive over the phone, then definitely you will never be hired. So this is most important tip, to sound warm, sound positive and sound calmer over the phone, and make sure that you smile, which reflects through your conversation. Make sure that you have a quieter place to talk to the interviewer if it is a video call or a telephonic call. And if you have a video call, also mind it that you should not have a flashy background, and there should not be any background noise like dogs barking in the background, somebody cooking in the kitchen, or somebody singing in the bathroom. So all these noises should not be there. Make it little professional. Find a quieter place. Use a noise cancelling headset. There are very simple headsets available online. If you don't have one, please buy one. If you're going through such a phase where you have to constantly go through video calls or you have to appear in any interview. These days, especially in COVID-19 times, employers look for a resource who has a place for work from home situation, and it is a quieter place with no disturbance and distraction. So generally interviewers also ask these days in their interviews that do you have a place to work at home without any disturbance. So if you appear on the video call and you know that you have created that setup where interviewer is interviewing you, so it generally just creates that assumption that you do have a place where you can quietly sit and work and calmly talk to somebody on the calls. so that increases your chances of being hired. So make sure that you have a quieter place, you have a good noise cancelling headset, you have a notepad and a pen handy with you, you have a water bottle handy with you, so that in between the interview you don't have to go anywhere. Take this as an opportunity to learn and do better in your next